Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
This speaker connects so easily and the sound quality is amazing. I love the sleek design. I also like the weight of it, how it feels, how just with a slight touch of a button you can increase the volume, you can lower the volume. It connects via Bluetooth to any device, which is super simple. You can even use it for a speaker for your phone. It also connects to Siri. It does it all. So if you're looking for an amazing Bluetooth speaker to take anywhere you go, this is what I would purchase.
And that's my point of view.